After speaking with many people who operate manufacturing plants, I noticed that they're still archaic in terms of tracking their product sales, still doing everything manually instead of automating their processes. Here's how simple it actually is. You can just put the required item number, customer's name, quantity, report key, customer's PO number, person who submitted the document, obviously uh, the date of today, and then the date required, the details of the part in terms of part number, what shelf they got it from, quantity, average cost, class, report key number, and the modification process, which people were still doing. where is this thing? Which people were doing manually, and this can now just be automated. And you just add the part, and you just submit the modification sheet. You go to view requests. You'll see the last one has come over here, and you can just see the KPIs in terms of completed requests, total requests, and the completion requests. So you are tracking every aspect of what's happening.